They're clean.
So yeah, you can control them over an app or texting as well.
They should be able to detect that your finger is wired, so back off. Actually, it has vision, so it should be able to see pattern recognition of word.
Yeah.
I see.
I feel like you can do that as well.
It also has visual camera. I bought it just about last year. Less than a year.
Yeah, this one's available internationally. Actually, so they released it. So you can control manually, and then you can stop and have your anywhere else. So I'll go back to the computer.
It's very effective, but almost you have to do the work at the same time. So I cannot recover mine.
Not that I know of.
Be able to upgrade, just upgrade the software.
Yeah. They could be as simple as that.